Starting the 500 Quadzilla up here. She's got a lot of compression. About 70 horsepower. Thing sounds badass. Move! Get out of the way. He's jumping. Here he comes. Crazy son of a bitch here. Go Schlery. Comes Yak.